What's going on, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Ezel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to get a YouTube channel heart banner PSD template and how you can use the template in your Adobe Photoshop so that you design the real size of, you get the real size of a YouTube channel heart banner and that can fit in a desktop format and mobile format as the case may be. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about online resource, graphic design and stuff like that, you get notified you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So let's dip into the tutorial and see how you can download YouTube channel heart PSD template and how you can use it in your Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so right here, the website we are going to use to get this free resource is tubeskills.com/blog/YouTube even banner and template and PSD. So this is the right address to get this stuff. So when you get to this page, you have to scroll down, then you can read some of the information about this template. So this is how YouTube templates banner look like. Okay, so this is the mobile size and the full length of this banner is for desktop view. So let's take a look at where you can download it right here. So you can see this file here is free for partner and commercial use. All you have to do is to come here, click on free download PSD. So remember, this is a PSD file and you must have Adobe Photoshop before you can open this file in order to modify to your own taste as the case may be. Right here, you can see that the file has fully downloaded. So I will go into my download folder right away and see how you can use this file in Adobe Photoshop. So let's go. So right here, guys, so you can see this is my download folder and this is the zip folder. What I'm going to do right here is to right click on this zip folder. So when you right click on the zip folder, it's give you different options. Right here, you have to click on extract here. So this simply means that everything in this zip folder is going to open up in this page. So when it's open up, then from there we can extract PSD file format straight up. So after the extraction, this is the PSD file format. You can see the file size is just 1.8 MB. All you have to do is to double click on the PSD file, then it's run into and open in your Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so when it open up, this is how it's going to look like in your Adobe Photoshop. You can decide not to update font right here. Just click on no, since you are going to customize it based on your own choice. Right here we have everything set in the right place. Right here, this is your this is the format for desktop mask. This is just 2560 by 423 pixels. So this is tablet version. The tablet versions start from here and end at this point. Okay, while the desktop version start from here and end at this point. So the mobile version desktop, the mobile version of this banner start from here and it ends at this point here. So what this simply means is that if you want to use this particular template to design your YouTube channel heart, all you have to do is to you can start from, let's say for instance you want to use this file for your mobile version. All you have to do is that make sure that whatever you want to design does not go beyond this area right here. So make sure whatever you want to design does not go beyond that area. That is the area that cover mobile version. This simply means that each time people watch your channel on YouTube, each time people visit your channel or mobile device, they are going to see every information you pull in right here. So if you if you are using it for mobile version, whatever you want to design should not go beyond this green right here. So if you are using it for tablet version, you make sure that you move to the next banner right here. And let me quickly drag and draw where you need to start and end. So right from the down from this top here down here. So this option here is for tablets device view. Okay, so let me quickly change the color so that you guys can see it more different. So that is that. So for you to design for tablet view, so you need to make sure that your design start from this where the yellow start and end where it ends. So let me quickly hide the green layer so you guys can understand more better. So I hide the green layer so you guys can see that whatever you want to, if you are doing it for tablet fashion, make sure everything covered this yellow area. So anything outside this place right here is not going to appear on YouTube channel. So everything that will appear will start from here and end from here. So if you want it to be in a desktop mask, you have to make sure that you follow the full fashion of this stuff. So all you have to do is to make sure that, let me just draw another layout. So you make sure that it starts from the left and end at this point right here. So guys, this is how you download YouTube channel template layout and how you can use it for either mobile fashion or desktop fashion, or you want to use it for tablet marks. So guys, I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. Kindly download this template and use it to design your YouTube channel art in Adobe Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.